In front of me is Honor View 20, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Security. Then click on Emergency SOS. Scroll all the way down again and choose Emergency Contacts at the bottom. Now you can click on Add Emergency Contacts and click on the one that you wish to set up. If you want to notify this contact there's your emergency one, hit OK in the pop-up. If you don't, select Cancel. Then do exactly the same with all the other numbers you wish to add. If you want to remove one of your contacts, click on this pen at the top right corner and select this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of. Then click on Remove in the pop-up and go back. If you want to change order of your contacts, click on the same pen, drag them, and after establishing a perfect order, click on the back button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!